Diana. I'm a teaching artist for the Symphonic Jazz Orchestra, and today we are going to talk about rhythm. So can everybody say rhythm? Very nice. And rhythm is everywhere. We all have rhythm. Rhythm is in your heart. Rhythm is in the way you walk, in the music that you listen to. Everyone has rhythm. And rhythm is the beat. Can we say that? Rhythm is the beat. Very nice. Let's say it faster. Rhythm is the beat. And slow, rhythm is the beat. Very nice. Can you say, rhythm is the beat, it's the beat, it's the beat. Rhythm is the beat, it's the beat, it's the beat. Very nice, everyone. So rhythm is everywhere and it's the beat. And today we're going to learn a little bit about rhythm. So first, everybody hands together. I'm going to clap a rhythm and you're going to answer right back to me. I'm going to point at you when it's your turn. So listen up and wait for your turn. Very nice, great rhythm, everyone. You see, we all have rhythm. All right, let's talk about rhythm. So, rhythm is just like fruit. Does anybody like fruit? Yes? I love fruit, and my favorite fruit is an apple. So, I love apples. So, let's say I go home with a friend, and there's two of us, and there's only one apple in my house, and we're all really hungry and we want a snack. What should I do? I can cut it in half. So, if I cut it in half, now me and my friend can have a piece. So, I can have one whole apple, or if I have a friend and I want to share, I can cut it in half, and now I have two pieces. So, half an apple, whole apple. So now, let's say I go home and I bring two more friends. So now there's four of us, and there's only one apple. What should I do? I can cut it in half, and then I can cut it again. So now there's four pieces. Each of these ones is called a quarter. Can we say quarter? Very good. And now each of us can have a piece of an apple. So rhythm is just like fruit. Let me show you how this whole apple is just like a whole musical note. So, a whole note looks like this. Can we say whole note? Very good. And it looks just like a whole apple. So I'm going to draw right here, whole. So this is a whole note. It looks just like a whole apple. Whenever I cut it in half, I get two pieces that look like this. They have a stick. And each of those, just like my whole apple, they're called half notes. Can we say half note? Very nice. Whenever I cut those in half, I'm gonna get four little guys that look like this. Notice that these ones are colored in. And they have the stick too. And these are called quarter notes. Can we say quarter note? Very nice. So I'm going to write here quarter with a Q. So we have a whole note, just like a whole apple. We have half notes, just like half pieces of apples. And then we have quarter notes, which look just like quarter pieces. And you can see each of these ones is just like a quarter piece of an apple. We have whole, half, and quarter. So each of these notes have a specific number. So a whole note is worth 4. So whenever we got 4, put your 4 fingers in front of you. In half. How many do we have on each side? That's 2. So whenever we cut it in half, we get 2. So each half note is worth 2. And whenever we cut the half notes in half, grab 2 fingers and cut them. How many do we get on each side? That's 1. So each quarter note is worth 1. So we have the whole note that looks like a circle and is worth 4. And then we cut it in half and we have the half note, looks like this, and is worth 2. And then we have the quarter notes, which are worth 1. All right, so do you want to hear how this one sounds, these musical notes? Well, the whole note is worth 4 beats. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you do that with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So the whole note is the slowest note. Gets 4 full beats. Let's do whole notes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Remember to always clap on the 1 and count all the way to 4. That's the whole note, our longest note. Whenever we cut it in half, we get half notes. Do you want to hear how those sound? So those sound like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you do that with me? Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very nice. Those are our half notes, and they're worth 2 beats. Whenever we cut our half notes in half, we get quarter notes. The quarter notes are the fastest notes. They sound like this. 1, 1, 1, 1. Do it with me. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Very nice, everybody. All right, so now let's use our rhythm notes to make a pattern. Do you remember the name of this one? Very good. That's a whole note. You can look here if you don't remember. That's a whole note. So this line is called a bar line. Can we say bar line? Very nice. And what is this one? Half note. And this one? Half note. Very good. And then I'll make another bar line. So, do you remember how many beats is this one worth? 4. Yes. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4. And what about this half note? Half notes are worth 2. 1, 2. And another half note? It's also worth 2. All right. So now let's clap it all together. Hands ready, voices ready, and wait for me to count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. How was that? Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very nice. Now let's add some more notes to this. So, do you remember what's the name of this one? That's a quarter note. Let's say quarter note. Very nice. And this one, that's another quarter note. And one more. And another quarter note. So these are all quarter notes. And do you remember how much they're worth? 1 beat. So they all get 1, 1, 1, 1. And at the end, I'm going to put 2 lines with 2 dots. And 2 lines with 2 dots is the repeat sign. So it means that whenever you read this and you see 2 lines with 2 dots, you go all the way to the beginning and you read it one more time. Okay, so remember the repeat sign. We are going to do this all together. So hands ready, voices ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1. Were you able to do that with me? Yes? Okay, so now let's erase the numbers. You don't need them. So, goodbye numbers. Remember, our whole note is worth 4, half notes 2, and quarter notes 1. Those are the fastest. So, let's do it all together. Hands together, voices ready. Wait for me to count. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. Very nice. All right, so let's review. Do you remember the name of this one? Whole note, very good. And this one? Half note. And this one? Quarter. And this one? Quarter. This one? Quarter. This one? Quarter. This one? Half note. This one? Whole note. Very nice. And do you remember the numbers? How many beats does this one get? 4. And this one? 2. And this one? 1. 1, 2, 4. Very nice, everyone. So today we learned about rhythm. Can we all say rhythm? Very nice. So what was rhythm? Rhythm is the beat. Can we say that? Rhythm is the beat. Very nice. And now let's say it really fast. Rhythm is the beat. Very good. And really slow? Rhythm is the beat. Very good. So rhythm is everywhere and rhythm is the beat. Thank you so much for being with me and learning about rhythm and music. I had so much fun. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.